Oh my gosh, the hacker is right there. If you just came from Chad's channel, you know that we've been following him on foot for about 15 minutes now, and he's right there.
I think I see him.
Okay, he's going that way.
Oh, he almost saw us. He kind of looked back. Okay. All right, breathe. He's about to punch in his passcode yet.
Gotta get my binoculars out.
Wait.
I totally saw the number. I have my binoculars with me,
Yeah.
my spy one, and I totally saw the number. The numbers were 6446. 6446. Oh, it's green.
Oh, you got it.
Come on, Chad. It's right over there.
It's so dark in here.
Yeah, let me get my black light. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah, there it is.
Okay. What is this place?
I don't know.
Oh,
jeez.
I just bumped into something.
What is it?
It's a camera.
There's a camera in here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like an umbrella or something.
Is this a photography studio?
Maybe it's a YouTuber that lives here.
Is the hacker a YouTuber?
Maybe.
See if we can find any other clues.
Okay.
We haven't found any fingerprints yet.
So whoever lives here does not leave any fingerprints behind.
Yeah, they're very careful. We're definitely in a kitchen, you guys. That looked like some splatter of some kind. I don't know what kind of liquid that is, though.
That's scary.
That's very scary. Okay, this person cooks. They're not very good with doing the dishes, though.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Okay. Oh my gosh! It's that dog!
What dog?
Remember? No. Remember when we went to the Ninja Dojo? It was the same type of dog.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh! It's definitely the hacker's place. Let's see what else is in here. Motivational magnets on the fridge.
Huh.
It's very weird. Proceed as if success is inevitable. Unknown. Unknown.
Unknown.
Anonymous. Even the quotes are from Anonymous.
Wow.
This guy is really careful. Alright, let's see what's here. Whoa. This is a black wall.
Whoa, your fingerprints are glowing. Your fingernails.
What's this right here?
Whoa.
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 What is this wall?
Whoa. Just came out of nowhere. A bunch of letters.
Phase 1 hack.
Phase 1 hack.
Hack. Trending page.
Phase 1 hack trending page.
What trending page?
Yeah, it must be in the YouTube trending page.
Oh, they're hacking YouTubers?
Yeah, they're hacking YouTube.
But like only on the trending page though?
What else does it say?
Phase 2 hack popular YouTube channels. Okay, that's definitely us, Chad. That's probably why all the shares and Rebecca Zamolo, Matt Slays, Marlon, Papa Jake, and Logan are getting hacked. Not a lot of us have been on the trending page though, so that's kind of odd.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything else. Phase 3.
It's blank. I don't see anything.
Wait, what does this say? Sky?
It's hard to see. I guess phase 3 hasn't started yet?
I wonder what that is. Maybe we can find out. Let's see what the rest of this place is about.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna set up my hidden camera hack that I made. I made a DIY. I'm really excited to share with you guys. This is a totally spy DIY. So this is a regular tissue box, a Kleenex box. You turn it around, you cut a hole, and I put a GoPro in it. So it's like your own hidden secret camera.
That's awesome. They'll never notice that.
Since we're hacking the hackers now, I'm gonna hide it in this room right here.
Okay.
And I think maybe, what do you think about right here, Chad?
Maybe a little further back. That's a little too obvious.
Obvious? Yeah. How about like right here? Since like that's their setup over there.
Yeah.
They're definitely gonna be over there, so I think this is a good angle right here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right, let's see what else is around here.
Oh, there's a TV. It kind of looks like the TV we used to have.
Maybe this is the TV that they used as a sample to hack into our TV chat.
Maybe.
Oh, what's this? Mouse traps.
I've seen these exact mouse traps before.
Yeah, this is from the abandoned place. We had to play that game from the abandoned town.
Yeah.
They made me play this. So this person is the same person that has the dog who set up the mousetrap that forced us to do that.
Whoa.
What is that noise?
I don't hear anything.
It's like a reverb from the speaker. You didn't hear it?
No, I didn't hear it.
This is their workstation right here.
Oh yeah, computer.
Everything's off. This is our laptop, Chad?
We keep finding laptops like this.
Yeah, they only use Apple products. That's really weird.
Wait.
Wait a minute.
Wait, behind that?
This is the lie detector.
Wait a second.
This is the lie detector that we have at our house, Chad. This is very similar.
Yeah, it looks like the same one.
Lie detector guy? Are we in his place?
Alright, we need to hurry up.
Alright, let's...
Just in case he comes back.
I shouldn't take anything, right?
Yeah, put that back how you found it.
Alright. Yeah, see this looks like a closet or something.
Wait, what is it?
It's the Dragon Blade. Remember this from the Tesla video? When my Tesla got stolen. Ow! I just hurt myself. It went all the way through. Look at that.
Oh, that's really sharp.
It's really sharp. It went through the protector. Is this our Dragon Blade?
Remember we dropped this in the abandoned town and he used this to break into the Tesla.
Okay, so this person broke into our Tesla, did all these bad things to us. So what should we do now?
Wait, the door is open. Shh.
Oh my gosh, someone's coming. Here, give me the camera.
Let's turn on these camera lights. Get the lights on. Alright. Before I get no light. I'll be honest with you guys, I've been eating a lot of Taco Bell lately, so he's not bringing Taco Bell and he's still very lean. Yeah. He must be sponsored by them or something. That's why we need to shut him down. These YouTubers are making too much money. They think they're real celebrities and they don't deserve it.
Okay, you guys, I can't understand what they're saying. Comment down below if you understand anything that they're saying. I really need you guys' help. I can't hear anything.
Is that recording? Alright, don't record. Was there a black light in here? It's yours? What the heck is that? It's not mine, no. It's not mine. Black light.
Black light. That's my black light.
Hello, and welcome to Project Disorder. Phase 1. We will hack the trending page and promote unpopular television videos. Phase 2. We will hack popular YouTube channels because they are not real celebrities. We'll be going through your applications and testing your hacking skills to see if you are a right fit here at Project Zorgo. Smash that like button. Wait, we don't want to get too YouTubery. Oh yeah, don't do that. Okay. Thank you for watching. We need to be promoting the late night television programs, things that aren't getting as many views anymore that they used to get when traditional media was the king of all media. Now that YouTube and YouTubers are taking away the popularity of our favorite TV shows, we need to help them and promote them. That's who's paying us. So, why am I the one sitting on this?
You guys, I have no idea how long this is gonna go. I mean, how long are they gonna film for? I want to get out of here. It's really dangerous. I don't really like being here. Me and Chad are not even together right now. He's like way over there. I'm underneath this desk. I think the best way to get them out of here is to text them. I still have PZ4's phone, so I'm gonna text him right now.
Promote unpopular television videos. Okay.
Okay, so hopefully that worked. I just text them to see if anyone got it.
Oh, emergency meeting. We gotta go. Let's get out of here.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that worked. That's awesome. Let's get out of here, Chad.
That was a really smart move. I saw you send that text message to them. Dude, what were they doing? Were they filming like a YouTube video or something?
Yeah, they were. They totally were.
I don't know. They're trying to post more YouTube videos and try to recruit people to them.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna try and hack into this computer.
Yeah, maybe we can hack into their YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Wait, try this one.
All right, let's see.
Whoa!
What is this?
It looks like the hacker.
Oh my god, is this their this is their YouTube channel?
YouTube must be stopped.
Help us delete YouTube.
Whoa! Why do they want to do that?
Oh my gosh. Join our team. No,
They're
don't do it. Don't do it.
They're trying to recruit people.
Don't do it. Of YouTube hackers.
These are the YouTube hackers. The ones who've been deleting our stuff. Project Zorgo. That's their name. What do we do?
God. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, you need to go over there, check out their channel, and keep an eye on them for us. If they post anything new, anything crazy or weird, come back and let us know.
Yeah.
Make sure to check out Chad's channel if you haven't seen that already. Subscribe to me, subscribe to Chad.
And we're gonna put their channel right here. Guys, keep an eye on that for us, please.
Yeah, anything at all. Come back and let us know.
Maybe even subscribe to them just so you can let us know right when they post a video.
I'm gonna need your guys' help, and let's get out of here, Chad.
Yeah, let's go.